Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for those looking to make some extra cash online with minimal effort. Whether you're a student or simply looking to supplement your income, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you 5 lazy ways to make money online fast in 2024, with the potential to earn over $100 a day. Let's get started. Our first lazy way is perfect for creative minds, and the lazy way is print on demand. This method allows you to design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts without ever holding inventory. Platforms like Amazon Merchants, Printful, and Teespring handle everything from printing to shipping, leaving you with the fun part of designing. With print on demand, you don't need to have a capital or finding traffic so as to make money. You can start print on demand with $0, 0 followers, and 0 experience. All you need to do is to create a design. Once your design is approved, all you are waiting for is your paycheck. Since those websites will do everything left for you, it will find traffic for you, processing the orders, printing the t-shirt, and shipping them. As the designer, you will be paid per each sale. Is that easy, right? Wait, I know you have some questions. How will you create an incredible, eye-catching design without having graphic design knowledge or experience? Too easy. As I said, you don't need some graphic design ideas so as to start print on demand. You only need necessary tools that will do everything for you. Then just copy and paste from those tools without a copyright strike. No need to hustle like that. Spending a whole day with Canva to create a single design, which will never get any sales or be blocked due to copyright issues. Nowadays, everything is pretty easy. With tools like Merch Informer, Placeit, and Etsy will make your print on demand business journey to be so easy. The last question is, how will you use those tools to create a wonderful design in just 5 minutes? Don't worry, there is a complete print-on-demand tutorial which explains in detail how to use those tools to create over 100 eye-catching t-shirt designs which will have massive sales. Grab it by clicking the link in the description below and become a print-on-demand seller today. If you didn't know, you can make from $5 to $20 per sale. With only one viral design can bring you up to $1,000 per month. Assume you have 10 viral designs. Guess what? You are rich to be by doing simple and easy tasks online by spending few hours per day. But wait, that is not the only way. There are more lazy ways to make money online which you may like more than print on demand. So stick up to the end of this video so as to unlock all the lazy ways, then choose the one which will be the best for you. After choosing, drop a comment below which one you will start with. And the method which will be selected by many people, I will create a complete comprehensive step-by-step tutorial on how to make money online with that method, so as everyone can make money with that method and attain financial freedom with online business like me. After saying so, let's dive into the second method. The second lazy way is YouTube automation. First, let me tell you what is YouTube automation. That means creating, managing, and monetizing YouTube channels without showing your face. YouTube automation is reported to be the fastest and easiest way to make money online with YouTube. Nowadays, you don't need to have a camera, recording any clip, or showing your face so as to make money with YouTube. You can create viral YouTube content by using AI tools, like what I'm doing. If you didn't know, Isaac broke the YouTube automation with a single faceless video. All you need is the right niche and nice content so as to get monetized fast. If you need to create the video like this, you need to have the following tools: CapCut for video editing, Descript for converting text to speech, Chat for script creation, and Wondershare Demo Creator for screen recording. Those tools will enable you to create viral YouTube content for free. You don't need to pay for a subscription to use those tools. This video is 100% created by those tools. Let me show you an example. Isaac's channel has 4 videos, but has over 113 subscribers. Incredible, right? He earns more than $3,000 a month with a single video. I started a new channel which mimics Isaac's editing style, and that channel is going viral than this one. I will create a complete tutorial with reference from that channel on how to start YouTube automation and get monetized within a month. If you are next to my channel, hit the subscribe button now so as to get that valuable content once ready. The power of a YouTube channel is it has multiple sources of income. You will earn easily from affiliate marketing and blogging, since you will use traffic from YouTube to promote affiliate products and make sales easily. So you will be paid by YouTube. By YouTube videos also, you will be paid by affiliate websites which you promote, so with a single YouTube video will generate thousands of dollars. Do you want to create a YouTube channel today? Drop a comment below. For the first 100 people, I have an offer for you which will make a YouTube journey to be easy. That was all about YouTube automation. Now let's move to the third lazy way of making money online. Our third lazy way method is affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing, then we will talk about CPA marketing, which is the easier way than affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting products or services through affiliate links. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Companies like Amazon Associates, Crack Revenue, and ShareAsale offer countless products to promote across various niches. Here is how affiliate marketing works. 1. Join an affiliate program. An individual or company signs up for an affiliate program offered by a business. 2. Receive unique affiliate links. Once accepted into the program, the affiliate receives unique tracking links to the products or services they will promote. 3. Promote the product services. The affiliate shares these links through various channels such as websites, blogs, social media, email newsletters, or other platforms. 4. Drive traffic and conversions. When a potential customer clicks on the affiliate's link, they are directed to the business's website. If the customer completes a desired action, such as making a purchase, the transaction is tracked back to the affiliate. 5. Earn commissions. The affiliate earns a commission for each successful conversion. The business tracks the sales or leads generated and pays the affiliate according to the agreed-upon terms, which could be based on sales, clicks, or leads. When it comes to CPA marketing, is a type of affiliate marketing where affiliates earn a commission for a specific action completed by a referred user. This action could be anything from clicking the link, filling out a form, providing an email address, signing up for a free trial, downloading an app, or credit card submission. So in CPA marketing, you don't need to make a sale so as to get paid. You only need to find someone who will complete the certain action. The benefit of CPA marketing is you can perform self-clicking. Complete those actions on yourself and get paid, but you need to be careful and knowledgeable so as to self-click safely without being detected. You can check videos on my channel on how to self-click safely on Share a Sale, Xterra, and CPA Grip. So with CPA marketing, you can only sit with your smartphone for a few hours doing self-clicking and make up to $100 per day. This is quietly a lazy way. Hold on, there are more lazy way like this. Let's dive into the fourth lazy way. The fourth lazy way is content writing and blogging. If you love sharing your thoughts and expertise, starting a blog can be a lucrative venture. Write about topics you're passionate about, build an audience, and monetize through ads, sponsored posts, or even selling digital products. But sitting and writing content is quietly hard. There is a lazy way for bloggers which they can use and write wonderful content with a single click. And that lazy way is done by SEOwriting.ai. This AI tool can write a full monetizable article with a single prompt. You only need to provide a title or keywords of your article. Then this tool will generate amazing articles with wonderful images, YouTube videos, and keywords for SEO optimization. So if you want to start blogging, this is the weapon for your success. No need to waste a time writing an article which will not draw attention to the viewers or even go viral. Use SEO writing so as your blogging journey to be easy and lazily. Does this sound good? Let's move to the final lazy way of making money online. And the last but not least lazy way is cashback and rewards app. These apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta allow you to earn money simply by taking surveys or watching videos in app. If you didn't know, you can watch Google ads and get paid per each. To start with, you need to visit their website or download an app like Rakuten or Swagbucks. Step 2. Sign up and browse the offers available. Step 3. Complete simple tasks like surveys or watching ads. Step 4. Earn cashback. So if you can't start a YouTube channel, do affiliate marketing, or be a blogger, you want the easiest lazy way of making money online, this way is the best for you. You can make money by watching Google ads while you sleep on your bed. You can watch my video which explains in detail how to make money with Google ads. And there you have it, 5 lazy ways to make money online fast in 2024. Whether you choose print on demand for its creative freedom, cashback apps for effortless savings, affiliate marketing for passive income, blogging for sharing your expertise, or starting a YouTube channel for engaging video content, each method offers unique opportunities to earn from the comfort of your home. To give you some credibility, there is a video showing up on the screen which talks about how to make money with print on demand. It is a complete free step-by-step tutorial from beginner to pro. Watch it now so as to have some idea on how to start print-on-demand business and make a first sale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online and living your best life in 2024. Until next time, happy hustling!